What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video gonna be unboxing the Nike away jersey from PSG or Paris Saint-Germain. It's a soccer team from the France, a famous one, sponsored by Nike. This is the 2020 jersey. It's a dry fit material, 100% recycled. It's comfortable, quite skinny, but fits well. It's good to wash as well. Combined, it's comfortable. The colors are good. I do prefer the dark colors into the t-shirts. There's these nice details into the France banner, the country, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos. And I see you later. All the best!